you go. Let me see. You didn't like it. Hey.
You probably feel like a rubber band on the back when you put them on there. There's someone that's going on their bottom heater, man. Hi, you guys. I made me like a healthy. You know. Huh? Alright, Daddy gonna do it. Come here. Come here. Come on, let's see what we can do. Put these on.
Here you go.
Wait, wait. Okay,
Excuse me.
and go play. Alright, let me see. I need one more.
You need one more? Okay, cool.
Put one more and it's gonna go snap.
Excuse me, Johnny.
Hey, you want to run? Hey, you want to run? Come on, what? Let me see your shoes. Let me see your shoes. You're welcome. Give me your shoes. Why you just take it off and then just put it back on?
That might not even work, but I'm gonna try to see if it will.
Help you up? Help you? Say help me. Help you, brother. Help me. Help me. You wet?
You wet? Come on.
You want a pizza?
Hey, go try that stuff.
Yeah, you want hot, bro.
Hot. Yeah, hot. Run, what? You're not no snake. Put your tongue back in your mouth. Bang. Bang. Go tell Dad to do his stuff.
Huh? Of what? Well, thank you.
I'm sorry I put a bit too much.
What? It's good. Thank you.
Water, Journey? Huh? Nani, Waddy? You got Oreos too, baby. Waddy? Zamora? Come eat. Come eat. Get your shoe. Your shoe came off. Get your shoe. Yeah, I know. Bon appetit. This is new. I've never eaten it before, but look how good it looks. Lettuce, hot Polish, relish, and mustard gel. So good. Right. And this is how you're gonna pick it up. Yeah. Mmm.